On Tuesday, Special Consultant Jack Smith, Federal Judge Donald Trump D.C. he called for measures to preside the election subcontractor case and to protect the confidentiality and security of potential jury members. Prosecutors have taken various measures to prevent spread of personal information of jury members to public, considering specific sensitivities. This case, both public interest and defendant court parties should bring certain limited restrictions on ability of parties to conduct research on potential jury members during election. Jury prosecutors Molly Gaston and Thomas Wyndham. Prosecutors. Trump's ongoing civil in New York last week in the pain of a part of the hearing. Trump, who participated in hearing of week, clearly criticized state lawyers' trial in case and made a social media attack on best clerk of judge last week. This attack pushed a limited beak order to Judge Trump, forbade him to comment on court staff, in particular, Chutkan, Washington, D.C. In his case, Smith wants an order that prevents Trump from attacking or scaring potential witnesses at the federal hearing that will start on March 4. In other cases, prosecutors leaned intensively to Trump's comments. In addition, his supporters said that his supporters directed the great jury members who accused Trump and Gaw, as well as threats in Chutkan. In addition, other measures Smith's team proposes to prevent direct contact between lawyers and potential jury members, including friendship or follow social media accounts. He says that any descriptive information obtained from this research should be banned from the public statement, in order to ensure that Gaston and the court will not use the name or other descriptive information. In this case, it is not only necessary for all parties to take responsible jury information responsibly, wrote. Prosecutors also said that court may want to think a tactic used in other high-profile cases. Instead of using public entrances, jury fact that court enters courthouse in a secret way. According to the prosecutors, Trump's lawyers are opposed to at least some of the measures that Smith's team is looking for, while prosecution proposes various steps aimed at protecting jury members' case. Smith's team does not call a federal judge in New York a case containing Trump earlier this year. Fact that both potential jury members remain completely anonymous and prosecution. Lewis Kaplan, judge of U.S. Regional Court, ordered a step against former president of New York author E. Jean Carroll raped in 1990s in Manhattan store dressing room. In the unusual order, Kaplan stated that the courts, judges, various law enforcement officers and other public officials and other individual jury members who partly trumps a very strong risk to fear harassment is important. Last month, prosecutors in Georgia, parallel Trump, deals with a criminal case-related criminal case, and most supporters, in this case, requested a large order prohibited distribution of a